We have mapped the surface of Mars in stunning detail. We have sent satellites to the edge of the solar system, captured images of Pluto's frozen plains, and photographed distant galaxies billions of light years away. We have even landed rovers on asteroids and listened to the whispers of the cosmos. But here's a staggering fact that puts our technological achievements into perspective. We have explored less than 5% of Earth's own oceans. That's right. We know more about the surface of the moon than we do about the deepest parts of our own planet. The deep sea is the largest unexplored frontier on Earth, a world of perpetual darkness, crushing pressure, and creatures that defy imagination. It is a realm so alien that it might as well be another planet. Today, we're diving into the abyss. We're uncovering 5 deep ocean secrets that most people have never heard. Hidden truths about the underwater world that scientists are only beginning to understand. From floating garbage islands to ancient coral forests, from unexplored twilight zones to underwater avalanches, these are the secrets hidden beneath the waves. Prepare yourself, because the ocean is far stranger, more beautiful, and more terrifying than you ever imagined. And with every new discovery, we realize just how little we truly know about the world beneath our feet. Secret number 1. The Great Pacific Garbage Patch is twice the size of Texas. Most people have heard of the Great Pacific Garbage Patch, but few realize just how enormous it really is. This floating island of plastic waste is estimated to be twice the size of the state of Texas, containing over 1.8 trillion pieces of plastic. To put that in perspective, that's more than 250 pieces of plastic for every human being on the planet. The secret is that 80% of this plastic comes from land-based sources, discarded bottles, bags, and packaging that flow into the ocean through rivers. But here's the twist. The garbage patch is not a solid island that you can walk on. It's a diffuse cloud of microplastics, fishing nets, and larger debris, suspended in the water column like a toxic soup. The secret is that this plastic is breaking down into smaller and smaller particles, entering the food chain at every level. Fish eat the microplastics, birds eat the fish, and ultimately, humans consume these plastics through seafood. Studies have found microplastics in human blood, lungs, and even placentas. The secret is that the Great Pacific Garbage Patch is a stark reminder of the impact we are having on the ocean, and it's a problem that is only getting worse. Every year, an estimated 8 million tons of plastic enter the ocean, and much of it ends up in gyres like this one. The secret is that the ocean is not just a victim of pollution, it's a mirror reflecting our own consumption habits. And the most disturbing part? This is just one of 5 major garbage patches in the world's oceans, each one growing larger every single day. The secret is that we are not just polluting the ocean, we are transforming it into a plastic wasteland, and the consequences will be felt for generations to come. Secret number 2. Deep sea corals can live for over 4,000 years. When we think of coral reefs, we imagine sunlit, shallow waters teeming with colorful fish. But there is another world of coral hidden in the deep ocean, thousands of feet below the surface. Deep-sea corals do not rely on sunlight, they feed on organic particles drifting down from above. The secret is that these corals can live for thousands of years. Some colonies have been dated to over 4,000 years old, making them some of the longest living organisms on Earth. But here's the twist. These ancient corals are incredibly fragile. They grow at a snail's pace, sometimes just a few millimeters per year, and they are easily damaged by fishing trawlers and deep-sea mining operations. The secret is that deep-sea corals are not just biological curiosities, they are living records of the ocean's history. Their skeletons contain layers that preserve information about past climate conditions, ocean chemistry, and even volcanic eruptions. The secret is that by studying these ancient corals, scientists can reconstruct the history of the deep ocean over millennia, giving us a glimpse into the Earth's climate past and future. These corals have witnessed the rise and fall of civilizations, the shifting of continents, and the evolution of life itself. The secret is that they are living time capsules, and we are only just beginning to read their pages. And here's another layer of wonder. Some deep-sea corals form vast, forest-like structures that provide habitat for countless other species, creating oases of biodiversity in the deep ocean. The secret is that these coral forests are as important to the deep sea as rainforests are to the land. Secret number 3.
What?
The ocean's twilight zone holds the largest biomass on Earth. Between 200 and 1,000 meters deep lies the twilight zone, a region of the ocean that is too deep for sunlight to penetrate fully, yet not deep enough to be completely dark. The secret is that this twilight zone contains the largest biomass of fish on the entire planet. Billions of lanternfish, bristlemouths, and other small, bioluminescent creatures live here, forming the backbone of the deep sea food web. But here's the twist. The twilight zone is one of the least explored regions of the ocean. We have only a vague understanding of the species that live there, and many of them are completely new to science. The secret is that the twilight zone plays a crucial role in regulating the Earth's climate. These fish migrate to the surface at night to feed, then return to the depths during the day, effectively transporting carbon from the surface to the deep ocean. This process, known as the biological pump, is a vital part of the global carbon cycle. The secret is that the twilight zone is a hidden engine that helps keep our planet habitable, and we are only beginning to understand how it works. And here's the twist. Climate change is affecting the twilight zone in ways we don't fully understand. Warmer waters could disrupt the migration patterns of these fish, reducing their ability to transport carbon and potentially accelerating global warming. The secret is that the twilight zone is not just a place of mystery. It is a critical component of the Earth's climate system, and we are only just beginning to appreciate its importance. Secret number 4. Underwater avalanches can race at 80 kilometers per hour. When we think of avalanches, we imagine snow tumbling down a mountainside. But similar phenomena occur underwater, and they are just as powerful. Underwater avalanches, known as turbidity currents, are massive flows of sediment, sand, and water that rush down the continental slope at incredible speeds. The secret is that these currents can travel at up to 80 kilometers per hour, carving deep canyons into the ocean floor. They can break submarine cables, destroy underwater infrastructure, and even trigger tsunamis. But here's the twist. Turbidity currents are not just destructive forces, they are also creative. They transport huge volumes of sediment from the coast to the deep sea, building vast submarine fans that become the foundation of deep-sea ecosystems. The secret is that these underwater avalanches are a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the ocean floor, a world that is constantly being reshaped by forces we can barely comprehend. The sediment they carry can travel for hundreds of kilometers, creating some of the largest geological features on the planet. And here's another secret. Scientists are still trying to understand the triggers that cause these avalanches. Earthquakes, storms, and even the collapse of underwater cliffs can set them off. The secret is that the ocean floor is far from stable. It is a landscape in constant motion, shaped by forces that we are only beginning to understand. Secret number 5. The deepest fish ever found lives 8,336 meters below the surface. For decades, scientists believed that fish could not survive below a certain depth. The pressure is too intense, the temperatures are too cold, and the food is too scarce. But nature has a way of defying our expectations. In 2023, researchers discovered a snailfish swimming at a depth of 8,336 meters in the Mariana Trench. This is the deepest fish ever recorded. The secret is that this snailfish has evolved remarkable adaptations to survive in such an extreme environment. Its body is soft and gelatinous, filled with a substance that prevents it from being crushed by the immense pressure. It has no swim bladder, which would be crushed at such depths, and it feeds on tiny amphipods and other organisms that live in the darkness. The secret is that the discovery of this fish challenges our understanding of where life can exist. If fish can survive at 8,000 meters, what other forms of life might be waiting to be discovered in the deepest parts of the ocean? The secret is that the deep ocean is still full of surprises, and every new discovery reminds us of how little we truly know about our own planet. And here's the twist. The snailfish is not alone. Researchers have also found other species of fish, crustaceans, and even sea cucumbers living at extreme depths, each one adapted in unique ways to survive the crushing pressure and freezing temperatures. The secret is that the deep ocean is a testament to the resilience and creativity of life, a world that challenges our assumptions and expands our understanding of what is possible. These 5 secrets reveal a world that is both alien and familiar, a world that is under threat from pollution, climate change, and our own ignorance. The deep ocean is a frontier of science, a treasure trove of biodiversity, and a fragile ecosystem that we are only beginning to understand. The more we learn, the more we realize that the ocean is not just a place. It is a living, breathing entity that sustains all life on Earth. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the secrets of the deep ocean, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon. We have more mind-blowing facts waiting for you. And if you want to support us, check the link below. Special thanks to our supporters. This video is possible because of amazing people like Sarah J. from London, Mike R. from Texas, Emma W. from Australia, Carlos M. from Spain, and Alex K. from Canada. You guys are the reason we keep uncovering the secrets of the deep. If you want to join this awesome community, check the link in the description to support Science Snack on Ko-Fi. Every contribution, big or small, helps us create more content for you. Thank you.